It's time. Time to chew bubblegum and do meteorology. And I'm all out of bubblegum. So we're looking at the jet streams of the western side of planet Earth. It's the west side. Extreme meridional jet stream flow in the northern hemisphere. As another cold, long winter approaches, since we've seen 5 winters in a row with record snowfall in the northern hemisphere, apparently the planet is so hot that it's cold, folks. I'm very frightened. I may burn a tire today because I'm so frightened that it's so hot that it's cold. And I believe idiotic things like carbon dioxide runs the climate. Anyway, there are the jet streams of the west. Here are the surface winds. And there's a hurricane moving up toward Newfoundland and Nova Scotia. Shout out to Ricky Bubbles Julian. Cyclonic rotation here south of the Alaskan Peninsula as well. Here are the surface winds of the east side. East side. And there are actually 2 cyclones here. Here are the jets of the jet streams of the eastern world. Got an extreme bend here right at the northeastern corner of Australia. That's kind of interesting. Near Papua New Guinea there. Anyway, let's continue on. We don't want this section to be too long. Here's your weather.gov map. And it looks like maybe some flood warnings there from that hurricane. Some gale watches up the east coast. If your county's lit up, just click your county at weather.gov. Here's your NASA Goes Lightning Mapper. Lots of lightning here over the Gulf of Mexico. Southern Mexico, the Gulf of Mexico, south of Cuba, Central America, and northern South America. Quite a lot of lightning. Here's your lightningmaps.org real-time lightning map. We don't see any terrestrial lightning in the U.S. at the moment. Lots of lightning over the Mediterranean as well, especially the western Mediterranean. Here's your windy.com pressure map. And we'll zoom out here and advance this. Massive anticyclone here off the west coast of South America. See that counterclockwise rotation. Anticyclones rotate counterclockwise in the southern hemisphere. And we'll advance this into tomorrow. This is the European forecast for pressure at 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time tomorrow. So you can see that low moving very quickly toward the southern tip of Greenland. Another place that's so hot that it's cold. It's got 5 meters of snow from coast to coast all summer, at least the last 3 summers in a row. There could be a forecast for additional horrifying rain here, like over a foot of rain near the Texas-Louisiana border, according to the GFS forecast. That's a GFS forecast for about 2 a.m. That's 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time on Tuesday. So you could have some catastrophic rain there around the Texas-Louisiana border, right on the Gulf Coast. Hopefully that forecast will change. Again, that's quite a few days out there. So we'll be keeping an eye on that. And when I say eye on, well, the pun is intentional. You know what else eye on? Eye on Twitch. And our Twitch channel is just dope. We've been doing lengthy streams of The Closest Star. And we'll probably be doing it again today. If you only view the videos on YouTube, perhaps check it out on Twitch, twitch.tv/smAsho. They've got a great mobile app. It's the ultimate live streaming platform. And if you're viewing on BitChute, check us out on Twitch if you're a YouTube hater. This video was originally streamed to twitch.tv/smAsho. We're also on BitChute. Look for more exclusives coming there as I get more and more angry about COVIDiocy and the pathetic and ridiculous infantile human response to a virus which has eradicated the flu. Thanks to our viewers on YouTube. Congratulations on realizing our channel exists. Please press the share button. Press subscribe if you haven't already done so. And tell your friends and foes about the Smash News Network least busted name in news. We don't fearmonger, talk nonsense, nor grift. We just do exclusive facts and science on the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks to the SMASH team, the new source of funding for the content. Please consider becoming a SMASH team member. And by the way, if you'd like to cancel your Patreon, please do and become a member of the SMASH team. If you're a content creator and you'd like us to make a site like this to replace Patreon, drop us a line. And we're giving you insight here into things you wouldn't normally see. So for the month of SMASH-tember, we're showing you some preferred stuff here to give you an indication what sort of content we put up. smashamash.com/SMASH-team. You can find us at our homepage. There's links. smashamash.org will redirect you. Thanks again to our patrons. And welcome to the Neo-Renaissance, smashamash.com. smashamash.com/SMASH-team. If you want lots more, join the SMASH team. Here's your water vapor map and some great imagery there of that hurricane. Also some moisture moving in here around the northern Rockies across Montana, coming in from the Pacific Ocean, just north of San Francisco. Next, the U.S. Doppler Radar map. You can see some heavy rains here in Oregon and California, it looks like. As well as most of Maine getting some rain. Here's what's going on in the cloud layer, I think. And the video was streamed live, so just bear with me a minute here, folks. We've got to refresh. Here's what's going on in the cloud layer. And great imagery of that counterclockwise rotating system. It's just moving across a cold water demarcation line here, folks. So that the cold water demarcation line is someplace around here. And so that thing is going to weaken promptly as it loses its convective forces. As cold water does not help hurricanes. So that's going to break up. There's also some dry air moving out toward it, which will sort of keep it from moving too far to the west. Here's your recap. It's a Doppler radar map. That's radar.weather.gov, by the way, if you want to look at that yourself. Radar.weather.gov. This is the NASA GOES Interactive Weather Satellite 3.9 nanometer shortwave radiation map. We use it to see things like cloud and fog at nighttime when it's too dark for the visible satellite. And here's the water vapor map. Most of the U.S. here showing some clear skies. All that dry, massive air there is typically associated with blue skies overhead. And that's today's meteorology segment. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to press like and subscribe if you enjoy the content. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. smAsho, signing off from the SMASH News Network, least busted. Naming news.